Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally, where you will get all kind of information regarding natural ingredients and easy home remedies for all your problems. Today's topic is health benefits of matcha tea. Matcha tea has skyrocketed in popularity lately, with matcha shots, lattes, teas, and even desserts appearing everywhere from health stores to coffee shops. Like green tea and black tea, matcha comes from the Camellia sinensis plant. However, it's grown differently and has a unique nutrient profile. Farmers grow matcha by covering their tea plants 20 to 30 days before harvest to avoid direct sunlight. This increases chlorophyll production, boosts the amino acid content, and gives the plant a darker green hue. Once the tea leaves are harvested, the stems and veins are removed and the leaves are ground up into a fine powder known as matcha. The leaves are traditionally ground by granite stones into a superfine powder. It takes an hour to grind the leaves and it's done in the dark to protect the nutrients. Matcha is actually made from the same tea leaves as green tea from the Camellia sinensis plant. The main difference to regular green tea is that matcha is made from using the whole of the leaf. These leaves are plucked, dried, fried, and then ground into the zesty looking fine powder that puts matcha on the map. Thanks to using the whole leaf and the grinding process, matcha green tea delivers 10 times the antioxidants than your usual cup of green tea. Most people prepare green tea as an infusion. This means that they drink the hot water in which they have steeped the tea leaves. On the other hand, manufacturers grind matcha tea into a powder and mix it with hot water. This means that a person drinking matcha tea consumes the powdered leaves. Drinking brewed green tea is a bit like boiling spinach, throwing away the spinach and just drinking the water. You will get some of the nutrients, but you are throwing away the best bit. With matcha, you are drinking the whole tea leaves. The finest matcha comes from Japan, where it has been grown for centuries and forms part of the traditional Japanese tea ceremony. What are matcha tea benefits? Matcha tea is high in antioxidants. Matcha is rich in catechins, a class of plant compounds in tea that act as natural antioxidants. Antioxidants help stabilize harmful free radicals, which are compounds that can damage cells and cause chronic disease. Matcha tea controls hypertension and improves heart health. Long-term intake of matcha tea may reduce high systolic and diastolic blood pressure as well as reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and stroke associated with hypertension. Matcha tea helps weight loss. Matcha contains EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which increases CCK, cholecystokinin, the hormone responsible for making you feel full. EGCG has been shown to increase the rate of burning stored fat as energy, as well as decreasing the formation of new fat cells, and this is found in high concentration in matcha. Drinking matcha between meals will help you feel full and resist those sneaky snacks that are full of calories. Matcha tea improves skin and has anti-aging properties. Bring a gorgeous glow to your skin simply by sipping a cup of matcha tea. Matcha helps the skin slow down when it comes to the visual signs of aging. This is because matcha is brimming with catechins, which help to stop free radicals reaping havoc across your skin. Matcha is so delicious for the skin, it's even used in face masks too. Matcha is also rich in antioxidant properties and has firm anti-inflammatory properties which can soothe irritated skin. Matcha can bring healing to all skin types and for those with oily skin. The tannins in matcha can help regulate sebum production as per one research conducted. I'll put the link of the research in the description box below, you can refer. Matcha tea prevents cancer. Polyphenols present in matcha green tea protect against cancer by reducing the growth and multiplication of cancer cells. Matcha tea boosts immunity. A recent study in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences concluded that drinking matcha every day greatly enhanced the overall response of the immune system. The strikingly high levels of antioxidants in matcha take the form of catechins, polyphenols, and flavonoids, each of which aids the body's defense in its daily hassles against free radicals that come from the pollution in your food, air, and water. Matcha tea improves cholesterol. Studies of different populations have showed that people who drink matcha green tea on a daily basis have lower level of LDL cholesterol, otherwise known as the bad cholesterol, while at the same time displaying higher levels of HDL cholesterol, which is the good cholesterol. And this was associated with lower blood pressure and a decreased risk of stroke. Matcha tea boosts brain function and promotes concentration. Matcha also contains a compound called L-theanine, which alters the effects of caffeine, promoting alertness and helping avoid the crash in energy levels that can follow caffeine consumption, as per one research conducted, which I'll put the link in the description box below. L-theanine has also been shown to increase alpha wave activity in the brain, which may help induce relaxation and decrease stress levels. Matcha tea stabilizes blood sugar levels and prevents type 2 diabetes. Matcha helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making it ideal for diabetes. There appears to be a direct connection between antioxidant activity and hypoglycemic activity. The natural sugars, polysaccharides in matcha help to stabilize blood sugar levels and to protect against insulin spikes, thus stabilizing blood sugar levels. Matcha tea for arthritis. Antioxidants in matcha called polyphenols might ease the kind caused by conditions like arthritis. It also might slow the breakdown of cartilage, the tissue that cushions your joints, that arthritis can cause. Matcha tea is loaded with vitamins and minerals. Chock full of vitamins and minerals, matcha is here to make sure you are sliding into the very best health. From lashings of vitamin C to magnesium, vitamin A, and all the beautiful B vitamins you need. Sipping matcha tea is the boost you need. Vitamin C can help you fend off colds and flu. Vitamin A can also help eliminate free radicals. Vitamin F is fabulous for your teeth. And vitamin P helps bone and cartilage health stay harmonious. How to prepare matcha tea? Begin by shifting 1 to 2 teaspoons matcha tea powder using a tea strainer in a ceramic bowl. Add 100 to 120 ml of steaming water to the bowl. With the help of a wire whisk, blend the matcha tea for a minute or two or till the layer of foam is created. Now enjoy your Japanese matcha tea. So this is all about matcha tea and its benefits. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Do let me know your feedback and suggestions through your comments. Please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel Glow Naturally. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.